Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Kitcher air fryer. When you open the box, you'll get a user manual, 50 recipes cookbook, and Kitcher air fryer. This model has been designed for home cooks who are keen to eat healthy while being able to rustle up meals in as little time as possible. Kitcher air fryer can save you time when it comes to cleaning the cooking device. Thanks to its easy-to-clean feature, the stainless steel cooking gadget makes cleaning easier. On the other hand, Kitcher air fryer is also made up of steel, making it anti-rust, high-temperature resistant, and more durable than other brands. Since burned food materials will not stick within the air fryer, you can easily wipe off the residue before frying your next batch of a meal. It also has a LED digital touch screen functionality. You can use this capability to adjust your preferred temperature and cooking time easily. It also shows you the current status of your meal, if it is overcooked or undercooked. You can adjust the screen from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. On the other hand, it also contains a non-stick fry pan basket, which prevents the food residue from sticking to the frying pan. This is a great feature if you are cooking your child's favorite Dino nuggies, since the shape will not be ruined. Now I will cook a group of meals, so just watch the video until the end.